Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best gear on the market. Today, we're talking about one of the finest compact knives for outdoor enthusiasts, the Kizer Harpoon Mini Fixed Blade Knife. This little powerhouse is quickly becoming a favorite among hunters, campers, and EDC, everyday carry, enthusiasts. So, what makes the Kizer Harpoon Mini stand out? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the blade. The Kizer Harpoon Mini features a 3-volt steel blade. If you're familiar with high-performance steel, you know that 3 volts is known for its exceptional toughness and wear resistance. This means you can count on this knife to hold up under demanding conditions, whether you're out in the wild hunting, camping, or even handling heavy-duty tasks like cutting through tough materials. The blade's edge retention is superb, so you won't need to worry about frequent sharpening during your adventures. The overall design of this knife is equally impressive. It has a minimalist aesthetic that combines form with function. The blade itself is a compact 6.49 inches, making it ideal for tasks where a full-size knife might be too bulky. Whether you're using it for food prep, cutting rope, or self-defense, the Kizer Harpoon Mini strikes the right balance between size and utility. Now, let's talk about the handle. The Kizer Harpoon Mini features a pay handle, a material that's known for its durability and resistance to wear. But what's really cool about this handle is the design. It's crafted with a capsule pattern on the inside that not only adds to the knife's aesthetics but also provides a unique glimpse into the internal components. The grip is textured, which ensures you'll have excellent control, even in wet or slippery conditions. The ergonomic curvature of the handle also contributes to a comfortable, secure grip, allowing for better thumb placement when using the knife for precision tasks. Every great knife needs a reliable sheath, and the Kizer Harpoon Mini delivers here as well. The knife comes with a custom Kydex sheath that fits the blade perfectly, providing solid protection while still being lightweight and easy to carry. The sheath ensures that the blade stays secure and won't get damaged when you're not using it, which is especially important for a tool like this that will likely be exposed to the elements. One of the most notable things about the Kizer Harpoon Mini is its versatility. It's not just a great hunting knife, it's also perfect for everyday carry. Whether you're heading out for a hike, doing some light camping, or simply need a knife for daily tasks, this knife is up to the job. Its compact size means it fits easily into your backpack or on your belt, and it's light enough that you won't feel weighed down by it. The Kizer Harpoon Mini is designed to be a go-to knife for all sorts of outdoor and survival situations. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just someone who enjoys the occasional weekend getaway, this knife will serve you well. The combination of 3-volt steel, a comfortable grip, and a well-built sheath makes it an excellent addition to any outdoor gear collection. So, if you're looking for a knife that combines top-tier performance with sleek, practical design, the Kizer Harpoon Mini Fixed Blade Knife is an excellent choice. It's lightweight, durable, and versatile, everything you need in a quality outdoor tool. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and gear recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.